GoHighLevel versus WordPress. When choosing a platform to build a business presence online, many people consider WordPress and GoHighLevel. The common advice often focuses on a direct feature-by-feature comparison, but this can miss the fundamental difference in their approach. One is a highly adaptable content management system, while the other is an integrated sales and marketing platform. Making the wrong choice can lead to significant issues. With one platform, users might spend considerable amount of time and resources on maintenance, security, and integrating separate tools, only to find their site isn't efficient at generating business. So in this video, we will provide a practical comparison of GoHighLevel and WordPress. We will examine each plan's core purpose, core structure, and ideal use case to help you make an informed decision based on your specific business goals. So the first major difference is the core purpose each platform was designed for. Are you building a highly customized content hub or a platform designed for lead conversion and client management? So WordPress is a content management system that powers a very large portion of the internet, over 43% of all websites. Its main strength is its flexibility. With its vast library of themes and over 60,000 free plugins, you can build almost any type of website. This open-ended customization is ideal for content-heavy sites, short as blogs, news portals, and complex portfolio sites. However, this flexibility also means you're responsible for searching, integrating, and maintaining all the individual compounds, which can require technical knowledge and a significant time investment. Now, GoHighLevel is designed as an all-in-one sales and marketing platform. Its website and funnel builder uses a drag-and-drop interface focused on creating landing pages and sales funnels. While it offers less granular design customization than WordPress, its primary advantage is that the website builder is natively connected to a suite of marketing tools. This approach is built for speed and efficiency in launching marketing campaigns. GoHighLevel now also includes a native blogging feature, allowing for content marketing within its own integrated system. Okay, let's now talk about the prices for both of these platforms. So the cost of these two platforms can be misleading. WordPress is known for being free, open source software, but this free label applies only to its core application. Building and maintaining a professional website on WordPress involves several associated costs. First, you need web hosting, which can range from as little as $3 a month for basic shared hosting to over $150 per month for high performance managing hosting. You would also need a domain name, which typically costs around $10 to $20 per year. While many free themes and plugins are available, professional features, enhanced security, and premium support often require purchasing licenses that can cost hundreds of dollars yearly. Finally, you may need to budget for developer fees if you encounter issues or require custom functionality. These variable expenses can make the total cost of WordPress sites unpredictable. Now, GoHighLevel uses a subscription model with clear pricing tiers. The most common plans are the starter plan at $97 per month and the unlimited plan at $297 per month. There's also a third option as well, which is the SaaS Pro plan, which is available for $497 per month, which allows agencies to resell the software as their own. The starter plan is designed for a single business, providing a full suite of tools for one account. The unlimited plan is built for agencies offering unlimited sub-accounts to manage multiple clients, while the upfront cost is higher. This subscription includes hosting and replaces the need for many separate tools, building a CRM, email and SMS marketing, a scheduling tool, and a funnel builder into one platform. For a business that can otherwise pay for these services individually, GoHighLevel's fixed costs can be more predictable and cost efficient. Now, GoHighLevel do provide a 14-day free trial, but if you click our link in the description, you will get a 30-day free trial. That way it just gives you a bit more time to test out GoHighLevel. Okay, so what about integration and compound-based systems? Well, the most significant functional difference is not the website builder itself, but what happens after a user interacts with the site. With WordPress, your website functions are a standalone entity. To capture a lead, you need to install and configure a form plugin. To nurture that lead, you must integrate a third-party email service like MailChimp to manage customer relationships. You need to connect a separate CRM. This creates a compound-based system where you can manage multiple tools, subscriptions, and integrations. While this offers the freedom to choose your own preferred tool for each task, it can also lead to data issues and compatibility issues between different services. Now, GoHighLevel is built as an integrated system from the ground up. When a lead is captured through a form or landing page, that contact is automatically added to a built-in CRM. From there, you can trigger automated follow-up sequences via email or SMS, manage them in a sales pipeline, book automations with a native calendar, and track the entire customer journey with a single dashboard. All the data and tools are connected by default. This approach is a distinct advantage for businesses whose primary goal is to manage sales and marketing processes. Okay, so which platform is right for you? The best choice depends entirely on your business model and primary objectives. Now, WordPress remains an excellent option for users whose primary goal is content creation and extensive customization. It is well suited for bloggers, media outlets, and businesses that need a highly tailored content-first website and have the technical resources to manage it. Its flexibility is its greatest strength. Now, GoHighLevel is the more logical choice for marketing agencies, consultants, local businesses, and service providers focused on lead generation, nurturing, and sales. It is not just a website builder, but a complete business and client management system. It's designed for users who want to focus on their marketing and sales operations rather than a website configuration and maintenance. Ultimately, the decision is not about which platform is universally better, but which tool is designed for your specific purpose. The key question is whether your business needs a highly customizable website or a automated system for acquiring and managing customers. Okay, that pretty much does it for this comparison on GoHighLevel versus WordPress. If you did find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to our channel, it's really appreciated. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.